I'll be honest. After traveling to over 25 different countries, I've started to wonder, are we just simply broken as a species?
Hundreds of arrests, they say, in Turkey's capital city.
Israel on Friday declared Gaza City to be a dangerous combat zone.
There has been an attack inside Iran.
A fury has swept over Nepal. The country's parliament ablaze earlier this week.
Every 5 years, the world comes together for the World Expo, the Olympics of ideas, innovation, and sustainability. Over 150 nations unite to share their culture, their technology, and their vision for the future. This year, the journey has led us to Osaka, Japan, a place where ancient tradition meets groundbreaking innovation and technology, creating a society designed to uplift everyone. This year's theme is designing future society for our lives. This is the 2025 World Expo. Let's start at the beginning. So you finally arrive at the expo after several metro stops, and instantly you're overwhelmed by the lines. There are lines like you have never seen in your life for everything. There's a line for everything here. This is the line for a picture spot up here. That's the line for the restroom. And of course, even the 7-Elevens have crazy long lines in Japan. There is a line for the 7-Eleven. I don't think there's a thing here that there's no line for. So make sure to make reservations in advance. Every country's flexing. Turkey has their ice cream stand there, of course, that people are still falling for to this day. Germany's got these crazy interactive Kirby-style personal guides that guide you through the entire exhibit. These are the audio devices at the German pavilion. Even Indonesia has built a frickin' rainforest in their building. But beneath all the flex, you feel it. Heart. You're not just seeing cultures through a window, you're actively stepping inside new cultures and experiences from exhibit to exhibit. And the future isn't 5 or 10 years down the road, it is here, today. You have drone taxis, robot dogs that are actively patrolling. And instead of actual security officers, they have robots, which is kind of terrifying. You even have hologram doctors that you can call into your living room to answer any medical questions. It's like every country has brought their wildest dream to life, and some of it is mind-blowing. Some of it's kind of interesting, maybe weird a little bit, but all of it is possible in showing what the future could be. Then you step into one of these giant pavilions. I went into Singapore's, which looks like they poured millions into. And you step inside and there's a bunch of little spherical discs that you used to write your dream. When I wrote SAS, Semester at Sea, which is a study abroad program that changed my life, and watching it float up with the thousands of other dreams around me, I felt something I haven't felt in a very long time. Hope. The world changes when we use our creativity to help each other, not just build new weapons. Sometimes, all it takes is a spark to ignite change.
It all starts with a spark of inspiration. Hello, friends!
And then, the US Pavilion, which has a very long line, so be prepared. You step inside and you instantly forget politics. This is all about people and possibilities and what the future could be.
In the air, we will thrive, we'll
St. Louis. The main theme is together, which is a beautiful reminder of the country I grew up in, and the America I want to believe in, one that lifts everyone up together as we all share this one earth. And let's be real, it's not perfect, there's a lot of confusion, it's exhausting, but progress is messy, unity is hard, but that's what makes it real. What I saw at the expo wasn't just a spectacle, it was proof. It was proof that unity is possible. That's why I travel, to find hope and to share it. And if you have the chance, please go to the expo. It is really cool, very inspiring. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. This is really exciting stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.